Welcome back to Polo Lifestyle, where we explore the world through a lens of sophistication and discernment. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, Universal's Epic Universe, the new theme park that's redefining what a Florida vacation can offer. The world of Orlando theme parks has a new titan. An Epic Universe isn't just another collection of rides. It's a carefully curated experience that demands evaluation beyond simple thrills. As connoisseurs of premium travel and luxury experiences, we need to ask, which of these 11 distinct Epic Universe attractions truly resonate with travelers who value artistry, innovation, and unforgettable moments? Today I'm ranking every Epic Universe ride through our Polo Lifestyle perspective, examining not just the adrenaline rush, but the thematic depth, technological innovation, and overall contribution to a refined theme park experience. From the whimsical corners of Celestial Park to the immersive worlds of Super Nintendo World and the wizarding world of Harry Potter, we'll explore what makes this new Universal Orlando destination a must-visit for the discerning traveler. Before we begin our Epic Universe ranking, let me explain our criteria. We're evaluating each Epic Universe attraction based on 6 key elements that define the Polo Lifestyle approach: thematic depth and storytelling prowess, technological innovation and Universal Creative's artistry, re-rideability and lasting appeal, comfort and accessibility for a refined park experience, overall contribution to your Florida vacation, and how well each ride represents the pinnacle of modern theme park design. This isn't about the biggest thrills, it's about the most complete experiences that justify Epic Universe's position as a luxury theme park destination. Coming in at number 11, we have the Constellation Carousel in Celestial Park. This isn't merely a children's diversion, it's a beautifully crafted kinetic sculpture where celestial creatures glide and pirouette in a unique multi-level dance, with some figures rotating within the main carousel sweep. From our Polo Lifestyle perspective, the Constellation Carousel showcases exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail that elevates it far above typical carnival rides. The mythical creatures are works of art, and the gentle contemplative experience offers a moment of serenity amid Epic Universe's more intense attractions. However, for adults seeking substantial engagement, this Epic Universe ride serves more as a scenic pause than a destination experience. This attraction is perfect for families with young children or anyone seeking a moment of whimsical calm while exploring Celestial Park. It's a testament to Universal Creative's commitment to creating beauty at every level of the Epic Universe experience. At number 10, we soar over to How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk for Hiccup's Wing Gliders. This family-friendly flight experience puts you astride Toothless and other dragons for a gentle aerial tour of Berk, complete with stunning views of the entire land. The theming here is impeccable. Universal Creative has truly brought the world of How to Train Your Dragon to life with remarkable attention to detail. The sensation of flight is surprisingly convincing, and the sweeping views of Isle of Berk create genuine moments of wonder. However, the relatively short duration and limited replay value place it lower on our Epic Universe ranking for the adult traveler seeking deeper engagement. This Epic Universe attraction is ideal for dragon enthusiasts and families, offering a perfect introduction to the land's theming while providing Instagram-worthy aerial perspectives of one of Orlando theme park's most beautifully designed environments. Number 9 takes us to Super Nintendo World for Yoshi's Adventure. This gentle, elevated ride places you aboard colorful Yoshi companions for a leisurely journey that offers stunning panoramic views of the entire Super Nintendo World land while maintaining the whimsical charm that defines the beloved Nintendo character. What elevates this Epic Universe ride is its perfect balance of accessibility and immersion. The elevated vantage points provide unparalleled photo opportunities and allow you to appreciate Universal Creative's meticulous attention to detail throughout Super Nintendo World. The Yoshi animatronics and theming create genuine Nintendo authenticity, while the slow pace makes it perfect for all ages. However, thrill seekers may find the gentle nature less engaging, and the relatively short duration leaves you wanting more of those spectacular aerial views. Perfect for families, Nintendo enthusiasts, and anyone seeking Instagram-worthy perspectives of Super Nintendo World. It's proof that Universal Orlando understands that sometimes the most memorable theme park moments come from quiet observation rather than intense thrills. At number 8, we return to How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk for Dragon Racers Rally. This unique attraction puts you in control of a mechanical dragon, allowing you to determine your flight path and even perform inversions through physical manipulation of wing controls. The innovation here is remarkable. You're truly piloting your own experience, choosing between gentle gliding and aggressive aerial maneuvers. The level of control is unprecedented in Orlando theme parks, and the theming seamlessly integrates with Isle of Berk's narrative. However, the physical exertion required to access the more thrilling elements may not suit a leisurely park exploration, and the heavy wing controls can be demanding, especially during longer rides. This Epic Universe attraction is perfect for hands-on adventurers who want agency in their experience and don't mind working for their thrills. It represents Universal Creative's willingness to trust guests with genuine control over their Epic Universe experience. Coming in at number 7 is Fire Drill from How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk. This interactive boat ride transforms you into a dragon trainer, navigating through Berk's waterways while using water cannons to extinguish fires and hit targets in a thrilling rescue mission that combines gentle water ride elements with engaging gameplay. What makes this Epic Universe attraction special is its seamless blend of storytelling and interactivity. The water cannon system is responsive and satisfying, creating genuine competition among riders while maintaining the How to Train Your Dragon narrative authenticity. Universal Creative has crafted an experience that feels both relaxing and engaging, with beautiful Isle of Berk scenery complementing the interactive elements. The only consideration is that the competitive shooting may not appeal to all guests, and the water elements require weather-appropriate planning. This is perfect for families seeking shared adventure and anyone who appreciates interactive attractions that reward skill and participation. It represents the evolution of traditional boat rides into more engaging, gamified experiences that justify Epic Universe's position among premium Orlando theme parks. At number 6, we race through Mario Kart, Bowser's Challenge in Super Nintendo World. This groundbreaking attraction combines physical track elements with augmented reality, putting you directly into a Mario Kart race complete with power-ups, obstacles, and competitive scoring. The technological achievement here cannot be overstated. Universal Creative has successfully translated a beloved video game into a theme park experience that feels authentically Mario Kart. The AR integration is seamless, the physical sets are stunning, and the competitive element adds replay value. However, the AR headsets can feel cumbersome, and the experience may not translate well for those unfamiliar with the source material. This Epic Universe ride is perfect for Mario Kart fans and technology enthusiasts who appreciate pioneering approaches to theme park storytelling. It represents a significant evolution in how Orlando theme parks can integrate digital gaming with physical experiences. Number 5 brings us to the wizarding world of Harry Potter for Battle at the Ministry. This attraction places you in the heart of the magical government's headquarters during a full-scale battle, combining practical effects with immersive storytelling on an unprecedented scale. The thematic execution here is phenomenal. You're not just observing Harry Potter's world, you're actively participating in its most dramatic moments. The practical effects and animatronics set new standards for Orlando theme parks, and the narrative weight makes every moment feel consequential. Universal Creative has created an experience that feels like living through a Harry Potter film. The intensity, however, may overwhelm some guests, and the darker themes require emotional preparation. This Epic Universe attraction is essential for Harry Potter enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates masterful practical effects combined with compelling storytelling. It represents the maturation of Wizarding World attractions into truly cinematic experiences. At number 4, we have Stardust Racers from Celestial Park. This dueling roller coaster experience pits two trains against each other in an exhilarating race through the cosmos, featuring synchronized launches, near-miss elements, and a narrative that transforms competitive coaster riding into an epic celestial battle. This Epic Universe ride represents the perfect fusion of cutting-edge coaster technology and immersive theming that defines premium theme park experiences. The dueling element adds genuine excitement and replayability. Every ride feels different depending on which train you're on and how the race unfolds. Universal Creative has engineered an attraction that delivers world-class thrills while maintaining the ethereal beauty that makes Celestial Park special. The synchronized elements and near-miss moments create heart-stopping excitement without sacrificing the sophisticated atmosphere that Polo Lifestyle travelers appreciate. Perfect for thrill seekers who demand innovation with their adrenaline and anyone who appreciates the artistry of precision-engineered coaster experiences. This attraction exemplifies why Epic Universe has become a destination for discerning travelers who refuse to compromise between excitement and sophistication. Number 3 takes us back to Super Nintendo World for Donkey Kong Country Mine Kart Madness. This attraction recreates the beloved side-scrolling game experience as a physical roller coaster, complete with barrel cannon launches and jungle theming that brings the Donkey Kong universe to vivid life. The innovation in translating 2D game mechanics into a 3D theme park experience is extraordinary. Every element, from the mine cart vehicles to the barrel cannon launches, feels authentically Donkey Kong while delivering genuine thrills. The theming is immersive without being overwhelming, and the ride system creates sensations that perfectly mirror the source material's gameplay. Universal Creative has achieved something remarkable, making you feel like you're inside a video game without losing the physical thrill of a world-class coaster. This Epic Universe attraction is perfect for Nintendo fans and coaster enthusiasts who appreciate innovative ride systems. It represents the pinnacle of video game to theme park translation, setting new standards for Orlando theme parks. At number 2, we venture into Dark Universe for Monsters Unchained, the Frankenstein Experiment. This attraction is a masterclass in practical effects and atmospheric dread, positioning you as a subject in Victoria Frankenstein's audacious experiments while witnessing iconic monsters brought to startling life. The craftsmanship here is breathtaking. Every animatronic, every set piece, every lighting cue works in perfect harmony to create an experience that feels genuinely cinematic. Universal Creative has created something that transcends typical theme park scares, delivering genuine artistry wrapped in thrilling narrative. The fluidity of the animatronics and the commitment to a genuinely immersive, even slightly intense story sets new benchmarks for Orlando theme parks. This isn't just a ride, it's a journey through masterfully crafted horror cinema. For Polo Lifestyle enthusiasts who appreciate masterful storytelling and groundbreaking craftsmanship over fleeting thrills, this Epic Universe attraction offers an experience that will linger long after your Florida vacation ends. It represents the sophisticated evolution of theme park horror attractions. And finally, our number 1 Epic Universe experience, Curse of the Werewolf in Dark Universe. This spinning roller coaster represents the pinnacle of theme park innovation, combining intense spinning elements with masterful Dark Universe theming to create an experience that's simultaneously thrilling and artistically sophisticated. What makes this the crown jewel of Epic Universe is its ability to transform the traditional spinning coaster concept into something genuinely cinematic. The werewolf transformation narrative unfolds through practical effects, atmospheric lighting, and perfectly calibrated spinning elements that enhance rather than distract from the storytelling. Universal Creative has achieved something remarkable here, a ride that satisfies hardcore thrill seekers while delivering the atmospheric depth and craftsmanship that discerning travelers demand. The spinning mechanism feels organic to the werewolf story, creating disorientation that serves the narrative rather than existing purely for sensation. This represents everything the Polo Lifestyle values: sophisticated storytelling, innovative ride technology, emotional resonance, and an experience that creates lasting memories through masterful execution. It's proof that Epic Universe isn't just another theme park. It's a new category of premium travel destination that understands how to combine luxury with genuine thrills, artistry with adrenaline, and innovation with timeless storytelling craftsmanship. In conclusion, Epic Universe offers a remarkable spectrum of experiences, from gentle family moments to groundbreaking technological achievements. What sets it apart in the world of Orlando theme parks is Universal Creative's commitment to creating attractions that function on multiple levels: thrilling for adrenaline seekers, artistic for aesthetes, and innovative for technology enthusiasts. The true genius of Epic Universe lies not in any single attraction, but in how each themed land, from Super Nintendo World to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, from Dark Universe to How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk, contributes to a complete destination that justifies its position among the world's premium travel experiences. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which Epic Universe attractions do you believe best represent the Polo Lifestyle approach to theme park experiences? Are there rides you think I've ranked too high or too low? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're planning your own Florida vacation to experience Epic Universe, make sure to subscribe for more discerning travel content and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest premium travel insights. Until next time, Keep exploring the world with sophistication and style.